Hello students, let us start with the next topic, that is file handling in Python. Before I proceed with file handling programs, let us learn about what is the meaning of file. File is basically a collection of records. And what is the meaning of record? Record is a group of related data items. Now what is the meaning of data items? Information related to students, employees, etc. Now what are the various operations in file handling? Number one, creation of the file, then how to open the file, then reading, writing, and closing of the file. These are the basic operations. In today's video, we will learn to write some text in the file and write numbers in the file. For that, let us start designing one function. Let f1 is one variable. Open some file. You can write any name of the file. Let us say file1.txt. If you have to open the file in write mode, you can write W. Then you can write some sentences. Hello, everyone. F1 dot write. Let us learn Python. Inside bracket, you can write file handling. Then F1 dot close. Then you can call the function. Let us execute the file. Let us save the content first of all. Suppose this one is the file, Python file handling. That the name of the program is fh1.py. Save. Now open. File is here, file1.txt. Hello everyone, let us learn Python, that is file handling or file handling in Python. You can write. Let us learn file handling in Python. Execute again. Let us learn file handling in Python. You can edit the content at any time. This is the first program. Let us start with the second one. File. And design new file. Second topic for today is how to write numbers in file. Save the program. Let it be fh2.py. Let's define one function fh2. F1 is open. Let us open one file. that the file name is file2.txt. Let us open the file in write mode because we are going to write the content for I in range. Suppose we have to write the number from 1 to 20. We already know that the first number is included in for loop and second is excluded. By writing 1 to 21, we can print the number from 1 to 20. Then we have to convert the integer value into string. Then f1 dot write I you can give some space between the numbers. Then f1 dot f1 dot close. Then you can call the function declared at the top fh2 now execute the program. Check the output. The number from 1 to 20 are there. One more thing, if I write here new line, then I can print the number in column format 1 2 3 up to so on 20. These numbers are there up to 20. Let us revise the content we completed today. First is file handling definition, then definition of record, then data items, then file handling operations, creation, opening, reading, writing, and closing. First one is writing some text in the file. Second is writing numbers in the file. In the first video, we learn how to open the file in write mode, then writing some content. By using new line, we can print the data in next line. And in the second program, we learn how to write the numbers. By writing new line, you can shift the number in column format, and without writing new line, you can write the numbers in arrow. Hope you understand the content of writing the text and the numbers in the file. In the next video, we will discuss how to write odd, even numbers and random numbers in the file.